This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Toulouse, France. 1. Marvel at the Romanesque Basilica. Start your Toulouse journey at the Basilique Saint-Sernin, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the largest Romanesque church in all of France and a major stop on the legendary Camino de Santiago pilgrimage route. Built between the 11th and 13th centuries, its pink and gold-hued brick facade glows warmly in the sunlight, perfectly embodying Toulouse's nickname, La Ville Rose. Step inside to admire the towering octagonal bell tower, the serene atmosphere, and the ancient relics tucked away in the crypt. The church's proportions are awe-inspiring, with a vast nave that seems to stretch endlessly toward the altar. 2. Soak up the vibe at the main square. Next, walk to the vibrant Place du Capitole, the beating heart of Toulouse. This grand square has been the center of city life for over 800 years. It is dominated by the neoclassical facade of the Capitole, which serves as both the city hall and the opera house. You can step inside the building for free to admire the stunning Salle des Illustres, an ornate ceremonial room adorned with grand murals depicting scenes from the city's history. The square buzzes with daily markets, bustling cafes, and open-air events throughout the year. Grab a seat at a brasserie, order an aperitif, and watch the world go by while framed by the beautiful pink facades. On summer evenings, the square hosts outdoor concerts and film screenings, creating a lively and festive atmosphere. It is the perfect spot to begin your exploration of the city. 3. Explore a Gothic masterpiece. Just a short walk from the main square, you will discover the Couvent des Jacobins, a true jewel of Southern Gothic architecture. This 13th century Dominican monastery is a breathtaking sight, with its vast, airy nave where slender columns soar upwards and branch out into the famous palm tree vaulted ceiling. This is the largest hall in Europe without central pillars. On a sunny afternoon, light pours through the high stained glass windows, bathing the stone interior in soft, colorful hues. The convent is also the final resting place of St. Thomas Aquinas, making it a significant pilgrimage site for many visitors. Don't miss the peaceful cloistered garden behind the church, a tranquil escape from the city buzz. The garden features lush plantings and a central fountain, offering a moment of quiet reflection. 4. Ride a giant steel Minotaur. Head to the extraordinary Allée de la Machine for a truly unique and awe-inspiring experience. This 4,000 square meter hall houses the incredible creations of the artistic company La Machine. The star attraction is Asterion the Minotaur, a colossal 14-meter tall, 47-ton steel beast that comes to life in spectacular, choreographed performances. You can even book a ride on its back for an unforgettable journey through the Minotaur district. The hall also features a fascinating workshop where you can see other mechanical creatures in progress, including giant spiders and other mythical beasts. This is a spectacular fusion of art, engineering, and imagination that you will not find anywhere else. The hall is located on the old runway of the Toulouse-Minotaur Airport, a fitting location for such an innovative attraction. 5. Discover aerospace history. Toulouse is Europe's aerospace capital, and you must visit its incredible aviation museums. The Aeroscopia Museum, located near the Airbus factory, is a paradise for aviation fans. You can get up close to legendary aircraft, including a Concorde, an Airbus A300B, and the colossal Super Guppy, an aircraft used to transport oversized cargo. The museum's collection spans the entire history of aviation, from the earliest flying machines to modern jets. For a deeper dive, book a Let's Visit Airbus tour to see the A380 assembly line, But remember, you must book in advance and present a valid ID. This is an incredible behind-the-scenes look at how the world's largest passenger jets are built. Admission to Aeroscopia is €24 for adults, and the museum is open daily. 6. Blast off at the Space Center. Continue your exploration of the final frontier at the Cité de l'Espace, a thrilling scientific discovery center focused on spaceflight. Located on the eastern outskirts of the city, it is packed with interactive exhibits, life-size rocket models, and immersive experiences. You can explore a full-scale model of the Ariane 5 rocket, walk through the Mir space station replica, and enjoy spectacular shows in the planetarium and IMAX cinema. The center also features a fascinating exhibit on the International Space Station and a moon rock that you can touch. Adult tickets start at around €24.50, making it a fantastic day out for families and space enthusiasts alike. It's open daily and offers a wide range of activities that will captivate visitors of all ages. This is a journey into the stars without leaving the ground. 7. Stroll along the Garonne River. Take a break from museums and enjoy the outdoors along the banks of the Garonne River. Follow the scenic riverbank from the historic Pont-Neuf Bridge, which offers beautiful views of the water and the city's iconic brick architecture. Pack a picnic and find a spot on the grassy quays to relax and people watch. For a different perspective, book a boat cruise with Bateau Toulousain to see the city's landmarks from the water. The river is the city's romantic lifeblood, offering a peaceful escape from the urban bustle. You can watch the rowers practice in the early morning or enjoy the sunset as it reflects off the water. The riverbanks are especially beautiful in spring when the trees are in bloom. 8. Eat at a bustling food market. Taste the flavors of the Southwest at the Marché Victor Hugo, the city's premier covered food market. Open every day except Monday from 7 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. It houses over 80 stalls brimming with premium regional produce. Wander through the aisles of fresh fish, meats, artisan cheeses, and colorful fruits and vegetables. For a true local experience, head upstairs to the market's restaurants, where you can enjoy a delicious meal made from the ingredients sold downstairs. The market is a paradise for food lovers, offering everything from oysters and foie gras to fresh bread and pastries. It is also a great place to pick up local specialities to take home, such as cassoulet beans and duck confit. 9. Pedal along the Canal du Midi. Hire a bike and explore the UNESCO-listed Canal du Midi, a 17th-century engineering marvel that links the Atlantic to the Mediterranean. The tree-lined towpaths provide a flat and picturesque route for a leisurely cycle. You can rent a bike from shops like Pierre Quiroul or Paulette Bike. You can choose to ride for an hour or plan a multi-day cycling tour along the canal's 223-mile length. Either way, pedaling along the water, past plane trees, locks, and charming bridges, is a truly delightful way to see the city and its surroundings. Along the route, you will pass through beautiful countryside and quaint villages. The canal is also popular for walking and jogging, making it a versatile outdoor space for all visitors. 10. Feast on cassoulet. Finally, you cannot leave Toulouse without tasting its most famous dish, cassoulet. This hearty, slow-cooked stew is the soul of southwestern French cuisine. Made with white beans, succulent pork sausages, duck confit, and often pork skin, it is a rich and deeply satisfying meal. Find a traditional bistro in the city center, order a steaming pot of cassoulet, and pair it with a glass of robust red wine from the nearby Cahors region. The dish is a symbol of comfort and tradition, passed down through generations of French families. The culinary scene here rivals that of Paris, with a focus on local, seasonal ingredients. Come hungry and ready to experience the true, hearty flavors of the Occitanie region. This is the perfect way to end your journey in the Pink City